Hello everyone, this is David Kim, specialist of GRP panel tank. From today, I'd like to share of know-how the installation of GRP panel tank to save time and money. There are many issues at the job site which makes lots of time and money we need to waste. So I hope this video will help you to understand and get the shortcut for correct installation. Let's get it. And second one is you have to check the foundation, concrete foundation, whether this is correct or not, or strong, the strength of the concrete or should be guaranteed. Otherwise, during or after installation, I think this, if there is some changes or some what is a breakdown any part, it will affect the quality of water tank. So I think whether the civil engineer followed correct some instruction for this concrete foundation or not. How was my movie? If you like my movie, my channel, please subscribe and put like and alarm also. And if you have any inquiries, please send me email. Thank you.